This lesson is on section 9-8, compound events. So I'm going to talk about two vocabulary words here. A compound event consists of two or more simple events, and if the outcome of one event does not affect the outcome of the second event, then the events are called independent events. And the probability of two independent events can be found by multiplying the probability of the first event by the probability of the second event. So I'm going to be doing a couple of these examples today. So example 1, a coin is tossed and a number cube is rolled. Find the probability of tossing tails and rolling a 5. Okay, so we're going to separate these out and find the probability of each. So the first part of this problem says a coin is tossed, and the second part of the problem says a number cube is rolled. Okay, so let's first deal with a coin is tossed. Well, I know a coin has two sides, so there's always two options for a coin. So if I need to find the probability of tossing a tail, so that's 1 out of 2 options for tossing a coin. And then it says find the probability of rolling a 5. All right, well, a number cube has 6 sides, and 5 is 1 out of the 6 sides, so that probability is 1 out of 6. So then all I have to do is take these two independent events. I'm creating them into a compound event, and all I'm going to do is multiply these two. So I'm going to multiply the probability of getting a tail and the probability of rolling a 5, and I'm going to get 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 6 is 12, so that probability is 1/12. My next example, this is more of an independent event, and it says a jar holds 15 pencils and 10 blue pencils. What is the probability of drawing 1 red pencil from the jar? So I'm going to add the word 15 red pencils. I forgot to add that when I wrote that at the beginning. So if a jar holds 15 red pencils and 10 blue pencils, what's the probability of drawing 1 red pencil from the jar? Okay, so I'm going to first combine my pencils to find my total amount of pencils. So I have 15 red plus 10 blue, so that's going to be 25 pencils total. And the question says find the probability of drawing 1 red pencil. So I'm going to look at, well, I have 15 red pencils out of my 25 pencils total. My probabilities are always out of my total. So then all I have to do is simplify this. So I can take out a 5 from the numerator and the denominator. So I'm going to get 3/5. So my probability of drawing a red pencil from the jar is 3/5. That brings me to the end of the lesson. Thanks for watching.